Now, Jamaica ended the World Archery Caribbean Development Championship as the overall winner, topping the medal table after hosting the competition for the first time. Denise Walters reports.
18-year-old Kylia Gordon, Brittany Hughes Gow and Lansdale Brown were the top Jamaican performers at the championship. Gordon was a triple gold medalist in the recurve beginner senior women, senior mixed team and beginners all-age women's doubles categories.
I was nervous. I'm a very anxious person and my coach was there like, okay, you're nervous, that means you're excited about the competition, you want to win. And I went there not expecting anything and then I got 3 gold medals and it was a really relieving feeling. It was a happy feeling, so I really enjoyed it.
Hughes Gow mined gold in the Barebow Developmental Senior as well as the Barebow Developmental Senior Women's Doubles categories and silver in the Barebow Developmental Senior Mixed category.
I set the highest record for the Barebow Developmental Senior Women category. It was fantastic. It was so many new things, so many new people. It was great to be put on a stage where it felt like a big international setup. You get a real taste of how international runnings work for these kind of big competitions, and it was just fantastic. It was exhilarating.
Meanwhile, Brown also had 2 gold and a silver to show for his efforts in the recurve beginner senior men, senior mixed team and beginner all-age men's doubles category.
That little extra pressure, knowing that every shot now has to kind of count, that I think is what really felt different for me this time around.
In other results, the psychiatrist Jordan Eaton also came away with 3 medals in the Barebow category, as he ended second in the beginner men, the beginner senior men's doubles and the all-age mixed team.
Stressful. You go through life thinking that, yeah man, sporting is not that bad. You see athletes do it all the time and you're just like, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, no, I was exhausted for about a week after the competition because I'm still recovering, but it was amazing. Such a fun time.
15-year-old Wilmarian Ethan George Hunter was a double medalist, bagging gold in the under-18 men's recurve double and a silver in the under-18 men's recurve categories.
Well, keeping in mind it's my first overall archery competition, it was a good first one, and my aim going into this competition was to just do my best and possibly get a medal, and I came out with a silver and a gold medal.
Despite alluding to nerves, Ashley Cummings took aim and hit bullseye in the compound beginner senior combined women's category.
I was pretty nervous about it, and I've never done it before. I just started doing this like 8 months ago. So, and then the category I shoot is pretty competitive, the compound. So it's not that easy to win, but I did.
Jordan Gordon was also among the medalists, picking up silver.
The competition was a very good experience for me. I started archery really more the casual thing that I was, doing with my girlfriend. We found out we liked it, so we just kept going more and more and more until we eventually got our own bows. The type of bow I shoot is a compound bow, so the medal that I won was for the doubles team compound, senior men. Yeah.
Jamaica ended the CDC tournament with 25 medals with 8 gold, 12 silver and 5 bronze. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.